Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you all how I was able to achieve this gele, and I'll be tying this on myself just to show you guys how I was able to achieve this. If you're watching me for the first time, my name is Lizzie. Please do subscribe to this channel. Thank you guys so much. So I'm going to use an ashoke to achieve this, and the first thing I'm going to do is to fold the edges of the ashoke, and I'm just going to make pleats afterwards. What I like usually is to tie gele without any hair or wig on. It usually sits perfectly on my head. So I'm just going to place the gele at the back of my head and then to the front. I'm so sorry guys, I forgot to tuck my hair that was already braided in. But moving on, just remember that you have to tuck your hair that is at the back of your head inwards so that it doesn't reveal when you're done tying the gele. So right now I'm just going to arrange the pleats properly so that it sits fine. This is just an example. Yours could actually come out better than what I did on myself, and honestly speaking, it is usually more hectic tying on yourself than tying on another person, just so you guys would know that. So what I'm going to do is to knot the gele at the front like this. This ashoke is so firm. I mean to say, like, I found it so difficult even tucking it in or knotting it at all. It was really difficult. So you really need to make sure that you work with something a little bit more soft and fragile. The rule for this gele tutorial is 60-40, so you're just going to make sure that one hand is longer than the other hand. The longer hand is what I am holding right now. I'm just going to place my hand in between trying to pick pleats, and I'm just going to pick up the short hand of the gele, which is the 40 part of the gele, and then take it to the back just at the middle of the longer part of the gele, the way you can see me do, and then pin it at the back. Like, this gele was really strong. I found it really difficult working with this gele. That was why I said that if you're going to try achieving something like this, you really need to make sure that you work with something a little bit more fragile. You can see how hectic it was for me in this particular video. So I'm just going to move over to the back and then pin the short hand of the gele at the back like this. So I'm just going to pin that so that everything stays secured. You could actually pin it two times. It all depends on what you want. I also really need to make sure that the gele is as firm as possible on your head so that it doesn't fall off when you're dancing or moving about. So that is really important. So for the edges of the gele right here, I'm just going to tuck it at the back and then pin it. I'm going to do that on the right hand side and also on the left hand side. I'm just going to tuck that inwards and pin it. This gele is not difficult to achieve at all. It is one of the most simple geles that I have ever done. Actually, it's just because this particular ashoke was really a strong and a hard one. So I'm just going to tuck that in and then pin it. Afterwards, I'm just going to arrange the gele so that it sits nice and so that it is good. I'm quickly going to show you guys what the back of the gele should look like. After arranging and making sure that everything looks good, I'm just going to show you guys what the back of the gele should look like. So thank you guys so much for watching this video. I do hope that it has been helpful. If it has, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button, like, share, and also comment in the comment section. If you really want to know how to tie gele on yourself, I have multiple videos that shows how to tie gele on yourself. You're just really going to learn. Thank you all so much for watching this video, and I'm going to see you guys in my next video. Bye.